Bobby's gonna replace a new outlet. Step 1, turn off breaker. He's setting up a light, and you can see, he's getting in there. It actually like burnt. It got burnt. So he's gonna take that one off. Surprisingly, the replacement was 99 cents or like $1.
Yeah, incredible.
One of the few things in this world that aren't outrageously expensive. By the way, you know why the eggs are expensive?
Why?
The bird flu, because they're just destroying all these eggs.
Oh.
Yeah, I just read
Yeah, I guess so, huh?
Electricity makes me nervous. But...
Makes me nervous too.
He checked it and made sure there was no power coming to that. I wonder if the wires are burnt in it too. That's so scary. What happened there? We have guests coming over, and we rarely run heaters, but they run cold, so we have to be able to plug in heaters, and we want to make sure this is in good working order. Oh, here's the replacement one right here. That's the new one. He's about to get the old one out. And he's trying to do this in between a Christmas tree and decorations. There's literally Christmas balls banging him in the head while he's working. How's it looking there? The wall's not burnt?
No.
Ooh, now what do you do?
Hook up some wires.
First you got to unhook wires. And are they colored so you know what side, what goes on what side?
They are.
Tell us.
One side's white, it's calm, and one side's black, which is power. And then the green would be down here at the bottom, which is just another ground.
Oh my goodness, okay. He's clipping off the wires, I guess.
I'm not cutting, just unloosening.
Oh, you're just taking screws off?
Unloosening the screws. Like on the side of here, if you're able to see.
So he's undoing the screws on the old one to get the wiring loose. Very tough position.
A little bit.
It's like Twister.
Quite.
I don't know if it's always that way when we have to do stuff around here. Whoa, the tree's really spinning around there. I'm gonna move this because it's glass and you keep banging into it.
Good. That helps me out, I think. Boy, it did get a little warm there.
What did?
The plug.
There's markings on it?
No. Yeah. Well, you'll see when I get it out.
Got it.
Okay.
I hear the frog outside.
Yeah.
Well, that egg is about to fall off the tree. Holy cow.
Boy.
What's boy?
There you go.
That's not good. That's not good. Scary. How did it even happen? It happened years ago. We just said, okay, guess we're not using that plug anymore.
Yeah.
And then we went to use it, and went to plug something in, and it was dark. I'm like, okay, that's plugging in weird. He's already started putting this one back on.
Lickety split.
Lickety split, just putting the same wires he undid on that. Reconnecting. Then he'll put the switch plate thing back on. Plug it back in. We'll see if the Christmas tree lights up. Sure it will.
I'm so sure.
So how many? It's 4 screws, so 4 wires?
Yeah. 5.
5. Throw this away. Okay, the wires are attached. Now he's gonna put it back in the wall and screw that part in.
Yeah.
That's how much space. He has about 6 inches to put his whole body back there.
No problem, right? There you go.
And from this side, I can't.
Oh.
That side was impossible.
Little on top, little on the bottom, little more on top.
So far, that seems really easy.
Fairly easy.
A little nerve-wracking, though. Electricity, no joke. Okay, I got to do the breaker. Both 15?
Thank you very much.
The other one, too?
I think there's only just one.
Oh, there's one here that says 15, but I think that one might be to the on already.
Yeah, it's already on.
All right, let's see. What happened to this 15?
Oh, don't ask.
Oh, gosh. All right, good job. And that's the top one. So now he knows it works. He can put the plate back on. Good job, high five. You made it look easy. High five.
If I can't keep my head held high enough, I'll just be love and watch the smiles come.
Thanks for watching.
Bring my spirits up.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
There's some shit I like to fix, but I still